Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my rose lip scrub. So you're going to need a bowl with some sugar. I use the pure cane sugar, well the organic sugar, and the plastic bowl and the spoon I get all from the dollar store. So I have some red rose petals. Yes, they're real. You can get them off of Amazon. I have some vitamin E oil, also from Amazon. And then I'm also gonna use coconut oil, refined coconut oil. I actually got that from Target. And I have my flavoring oils, which I got from Amazon. And the lip liquid, I got that from TKB Trading. These are the containers I'm going to be putting my lip scrubs in. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, clean off your area, sanitize, put your gloves on. Gotta be clean, especially when you're dealing with things that you're selling and making for people. So at this point, I'm struggling with this coconut oil because I was running low and I was struggling trying to open my other one. Okay, so we got it together. So I really eyeball it for my consistency that I like. I like it not runny, but just not like super duper thick, because you want it to moisturize your lips. So you're just gonna mix that up. Just keep mixing it for the consistency that you like. You can make it thick, you can make it loose, however you want to do it, however your customers like it, make it that way. And I'm gonna go in with the vitamin E oil. It actually smells like really good. It smells like the Jergens lotion, if like you've ever used it. So, I mean, vitamin E oil is definitely good for your skin. It's skin oil. I'm just adding more coconut oil. So in this video, I was trying to hurry up and get it done because it's actually an order for someone. So that's the consistency of how it's looking right now. I think on this video I added a little bit more of the sugar. Yeah, more coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for you. Good for the skin. So I'm just mixing. As you can see, like how the consistency of it is. Like, it's not too thick, it's not too loose. I mean, this is how I like to make mine. So again, you can make yours how you like. Okay. So that's how I like it. But I do think I did have too much sugar. I don't remember. I think I did. Okay, yeah. And excuse my shirt, y'all. I just got back from out of town, so the little mark you see as coconut oil, okay? Let me make it. Don't be coming for me in the comments. So yeah, adding more sugar. So this is all that I really do to get my consistency. I added like a little bit more sugar. Like not a lot, a super lot, just a little bit. And I will also leave you guys the links in the description box down below for some of the products that I use. I mean, you can use whatever you can put whatever kind of oils that you would like in here, as long as it's good for the skin, of course. Like sometimes I add honey in mine and mix it up, and then I'll still put like a little bit of coconut oil in it. The honey makes it smell kind of good too. Okay, so now I'm adding the lip liquid. It actually gives it a good, like, pretty pink color, like a little pink lemonade color. So the more you put, the darker the color will be. This one I went with like a light pink, just a little semi-rosy, so because I'm gonna add the rose petals in there as well. So I'm adding more because I was really getting like slightly frustrated because I wasn't getting the color that I want. So yeah, the lip liquid actually doesn't really stain your lips. It's like more so for the color. Okay, so I'm still going in, I'm mixing it, trying to get the color that I want. So, I mean, the rest of it is really self-explanatory. I mean, you just don't want to get too happy with the color because, I mean, you don't want to put too much in there and then you be all pissed off because you got the wrong color, but you really wasn't going for it. So I'm just adding some more of that in there. So all my products, majority of them, like even for like my lip gloss and everything that I make, I get it from Amazon, TKB Trading. Some stuff, if I can't find on Amazon, I'll go to Etsy or AliExpress. But sometimes Amazon normally does have what I'm looking for, unless like they won't be having it in stock for a while. So now I'm gonna add the strawberry kiwi flavoring oil. Y'all, it smells so good. Like I actually just restocked and got a pack of 12, so I have 12 different flavors and they all smell super duper good. And this lip scrub, you can eat it too if you, I mean, it's edible if that's what you want to do. I mean, but I put roses in it, so I don't know if you want to do that. I mean, hey, do what you want. So I take the little pipette. A little bit goes a long way. It just depends on how strong you want the scent to be. But these oils, the Loran oils, are pretty strong. So I don't think that you would need that much. But then again, it just depends on your preference. So I'm just gonna mix that all in this lip scrub. I think it looks pretty good so far. And yes, I just smelled it just to make sure. It smells super duper good. It's strong, so it's a strong scent. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the rose petals. Those were like, I think, $8 or $9 off at Amazon. And they last a while, like a long time. I really don't use that much of the roses. So now you're just gonna mix that in there. You really just want to like have it pressed in there so the scent can get in there and it can soak in there. So that's all I'm doing right here. They look so pretty already. So yep, still mixing it, pressing the rose petals into the lip scrub. Gonna add some more because I'm making two. I'm making 2 containers of the rose lip scrub. I have 2 orders, so I have to make sure that I have enough. Okay, so again, these are the containers. I thought these were really pretty. I found them on Amazon. I got like, I think like 50 or like 100. I don't remember the exact number, but there's a lot that comes in like this little box. So like these are actually 20-gram containers. So you can put a decent amount of lip scrub in there, depending on like how much you want to sell it for. I mean, I sell mine for $5. I feel like you're getting a lot for $5. You're getting rose petals, yeah. So you just want to pack it in there, but you don't want to overfill it or like fill it like to the rim, because I think I did in this video. I put a little too much in there, so you could just take it out and just adjust from there. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to pack it in there, make it look pretty and presentable. And you want to make sure you get the excess from the edges, because you don't want anything to be coming out the side, especially when you package it and they get it and you got stuff falling outside. No good. Yeah, I'm just still packing it in there. And that's basically all you guys do, like just to make your lip scrub. So this is what it's gonna look like. And then do the other one. Just doing the same thing, same process. Just pack it in there. Once you get it at the bottom, you just want to like press it down as much as you can, so it can actually be not all the way full, but a decent amount in there. Stop. Okay, so on this one, as you can see, I did overfill it a little bit, but now you see me cleaning it up and stuff. So that's all I'm really doing. So I'm gonna close this one, and then I'm gonna let you guys see what they both look like. As soon as I get it together. So I shake it up a little bit just to get the shape of the actual heart. So that's what it's gonna look like, you guys. So it's really super duper easy. This really took me, I'll say maybe 10-15 minutes, if that. So that's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments down in the comment box. like and share my video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.